Hey everyone, it is Craig here at the Magic Kingdom. Today is October 1st, 2016, Magic Kingdom's 45th anniversary, and today I'm going to celebrate by going to Casey's Corner and getting one of the special celebration hot dogs that are available. So let's go try it out. It's going to be good, it's going to be messy, and I'm going to love every second of it. Okay, so here it is, the 45th anniversary celebration dog. Whoa, it's already falling apart. It is a foot-long hot dog with hash browns, cheddar cheese, onion straws, bacon, spicy mayo, and a lot more. This is going to be very difficult to eat, so I'll have to see how I'm going to do it. I'm nervous. Okay, I had to take one bite to get to the bread part, so unfortunately I'm going to document my first bite into this with the bread and everything else, so we'll see how this ends up going. It's a little messy, as you can tell from my face. I didn't actually get much of the stuff, so I'm gonna have to go in for my second bite. Gotta eat away some of the bread first. Here goes nothing. When did I let my life get this bad? That I'm filming myself shoving a hot dog in my face. As you can see, I've made some progress on it, but still have a little more ways to go. I really underestimated how messy this thing was going to be. Each bite is a struggle to not just be so ashamed of myself, but I'm gonna keep doing it just for everyone out there. I don't even know what to say. And I'm talking with my mouth full. Terrible manners. I am all finished with my 45th anniversary celebration dog at Casey's Corner. So, as you saw me eating it, you could tell that it was extremely massive, almost to the point that it was disgusting. It was $10.29 for the hot dog by itself, $12.29 if you wanted the meal that comes with fries or apple slices. And here's the bad news: is it is literally only available today. So if you're not at Magic Kingdom on October 1st, you won't be able to get this. So if you're coming out to the parks later, definitely make sure to swing by here and get it. And if you missed it, well, I'm sorry. I hope you enjoyed me eating it forever, and you have that at least. So it was a good thing. Happy anniversary, Magic Kingdom.